StartMail versus ProtonMail. In this video, we're going to be talking about two of the most incredible secure emails. Okay, so in today's digital age, as you know, email privacy and security have become a paramount concern for individuals and businesses alike. With the increasing number of cyber threats and surveillances, using a secure email has become a necessity. Now, basically, let's go ahead straight into StartMail. Now, StartMail is basically a base secure email service that prioritizes user privacy and data protection. It provides PFS, ensuring that even if your private key is compromised, past communications remain secure. You get user friendly interfaces with easy navigations for yourself, disposable email addresses for enhanced privacy. You get no ads and no tracking of personal data with IMAP and SMTP. Then you can also see all of the features that StartMail provides you, like creating unlimited aliases, encrypting your emails that only you and your recipient can read your message, password protected emails with work on any device. You can also get word class encryption, use your own domains, which are custom, flexible storage options, manage multiple users with group subscriptions, protect your email aliases, fast and friendly chat support, and you can also access it on any device. Then moving on to ProtonMail, it's known for its strong commitment to privacy and open source cryptography. You get end-to-end encryption for all of the features that you get. Anonymous sign up without requiring personal info is done. Self destructing messages for added security. Support for PGP encryption with import and export of PGP keys for compatibility. Now, when it comes to the main comparisons of features, I'd say StartMail, which offers PFS, which means that each email will use a unique key that cannot be decrypted even if the long-term private key is compromised. This ensures that your past communication remains safe. ProtonMail, on the other hand, stands out with its zero-access encryption, which means that your messages are encrypted on their servers using your public key, and even they cannot access your data. Then, when it comes to user friendliness and interfaces, both ProtonMail and StartMail have equally as good as an interface, and I can't really, differ between them because they both are pretty immaculate. But when it comes to the pricings of both of these, StartMail offers a 7-day free trial, giving users the opportunity to explore its features. And after the trial, the service costs are around $60 per year, providing a cost effective solution for those seeking robust email security. Then moving over to Proton, which provides a free plan with limited features, it is ideal for users who have basic email requirements. However, for more storage, they are going to need to pay around $5 per month as well. So if it comes to a final conclusion, I'd say StartMail Proton provide excellent security and encryption features to safeguard all of your communications. Now, it's your choice ultimately depending on whatever you want to go ahead with. So choose StartMail if you seek a user-friendly interface with custom domain integration and support for PFS, or opt for ProtonMail if you value zero-access encryption, anonymous signup, and advanced folder management. So do let me know down in the comments below which software you chose for yourself, and that is pretty much going to be all there is. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.